I want to say something. A lot of people is afraid to film themselves in public because they always too worried about consciously and subconsciously what others think about them. The reality is, nobody gives a fuck about you because we all are fucking selfish. Meaning, we all do care about our own worries, our own thoughts, our loved ones, ourselves, but we also don't care about ourselves. You have a lot of people that say they want to feel good, want to be good, but still fuck around and do shit they're not supposed to do, right? You say you want to hit the gym, be lighter, be more fit, right? Rather that's ripped, big and swole, regardless, but you're still out drinking every night, smoking every second of the day. And I'm not saying smoking weed is per se bad, but if you got a vision and you got a meaning behind that vision, why the fuck is you letting those negative environments get to you? You know, so I always say one way to self-care yourself is to start off with your environment. Who are you around? Where are you? Are you around a lot of negatives? Are you around non-elevated people? Are you around non-visionaries? Surround yourself around those type of people because you will accidentally become the next one. And if you don't have anybody around to surround yourself with, then become a loner. That's me, a loner. I sit in the house by myself a lot. I got a son, yes, but I sit in the house by myself a lot, think to myself consciously. God speaks to me, and I speak back. And what I speak back is me speaking back in actions. And a lot of us don't focus on and understand that. And I feel like that's the problem with a lot of us today. We want to be somebody, we want to be this, but at the end of the day, we don't want to put in that effort. And whatever it is that makes you happy, whether if that's to travel, nice cars, start our own business, boutique shop, anything like that, is possible. You just got to put in the fucking work. Stop bitching. So, that being said, y'all gonna see me in Houston. Alright y'all, so I'm here in Texas, Houston. I'm trying to get my camera right, but I can't even get it right. I end up getting some snow cones right now. Y'all probably can't see, but this is where we at right here. Just got some hibachis right there. You feel me? So yeah, we just locked and loaded. I'm gonna keep y'all posted, let y'all know the tune of everything and everything like that, and kind of go from there. But yeah, you know, we're gonna talk about some important stuff. I feel like taking vacations like these is definitely necessary, and yeah, I'm gonna try some of this food out, see how it go. I can't even see myself, and yeah. All right, so right now I'm on my way to the gym. Gonna get a nice little workout in. I made a commitment to myself. Wherever I'm at, I'm always gonna get a workout, no matter what. It's early for me because I just got up, but it's actually like 12 right now. So yeah, so currently I'm on my way to the gym right now, like I said. And I know it's super bright out here, but yeah, we're gonna get it and get to what we gotta get to. All right, so I realized when I was in Houston, I didn't record much. I kind of feel bad about it, but I'm gonna basically kind of extend this video out to another day. Just a regular day for me. I'm actually on my way to my space, so I definitely want to make sure you guys tune in for that. And then also, I kind of just want to show y'all a couple of things that I've been doing on my end as far as trading wise. And a lot of it still is based on this bot that we have going on our Discord right now. So you guys see right now, if you look closely, we have this set for Forex and also indices as well. Today was actually a decent day. We had a couple TPs, one smash on GJ. We had some on I think they all are GJ, GU and GJ. So, you know, it's been pretty good. Indices haven't been the best lately just because of what the market conditions is already is. I always say use the bot when it's trending. That is based off the strategy that this bot is going off of. And then use the actual FX bot when it's actually trending too. That is the best that you can get and the best results you can get off that. So, you know, that being said, that's pretty much really what it is. But yeah, man, I'm about to be on my way to the gym, and then I'm about to go to my space after. About to drop off this little man. I just brought him a whole Xbox. Ain't that right, E? Yeah. Yeah, I just brought him a whole Xbox, so I know he's excited about that. I think, wait, were you playing Roblox? Yeah, so we've been playing Roblox. I actually just brought myself a game, Starfield, and I don't really play too many games, but I really brought it for him just to be occupied and whatnot. So, yeah, y'all stay tuned for that. All right, y'all. So we here at the stew. We are actually about to set up some stuff. Got the bro Q here. So what we're doing today is pretty much Q already put up the mics. Yes, sir. I'm liking these mics. We got some. We got the official podcast mics now. We got to get one more though because we only have this Rodecaster here. Y'all probably can see right there. We about to set up some more lights to make this more roomy or get us more light. Y'all see we got this here. We might put up another monitor. I don't know if we're going to be able to do that today, but we do have another monitor and we do have another stand to hold the monitor. It's supposed to go on this side, but we haven't did that yet. What else we supposed to do today? So yeah, we're putting up some more lights. We're going to put up one light right about there. We're going to probably get one right about here. It's going to be these same panel lights that we got back here lights. Oh, and then we're putting up this TV mount. So we're going to put up the TV. We're actually going to put the TV that you guys see that's on wheels over there. We're actually going to put that on here. So that's basically what we're doing today at the space. And yeah, y'all going to stay tuned for this. So for those that don't know, I do music. Yes, that's why I put a studio on here. Studio update. I have no idea what's going on here, but yeah, I don't think y'all seen what's in here, but we got the two monitors going here. We have the keyboard going here. We actually working on a couple more analogs down here. We got the interface right here. And then, yeah. So it's going to be pretty dope. I hate that this keeps moving. I got to fix that. But other than that, we got the electric guitar in that bag there. The other guitar there. Gaming seat. We got the Xbox. You can call this my mini compound space. You can call this my mini compound space because it's not there yet. But I truthfully feel like I only want to call it my mini compound space because I'm actually planning on getting the compound GTA style. That's my next thing that I'm going to be investing into is looking for a warehouse kind of like this, but more open. So it would be more like a loft feel. So like as this, you guys see, we kind of turn this into a whole content space anyway. So the idea that we got upstairs too, which is more like office space too. But the idea of what I'm trying to get is more, like I said, it's going to be more of a lofty feel. I'm trying to get it in between Chicago and the Birds because I don't want it to be physically in Chicago. I kind of want it to be scattered out a little bit. But I am going to get something like that, probably like 25 minutes out, 20 minutes out from the city. And that's going to be the compound there. I want a little bit bigger garage. I want to have a loft. There's one I've seen literally on Craigslist and seen on LoopNet. And I'm looking at that one. I got to check it out soon. But hopefully I can do a video on that so y'all can check it out. But that's the plan. This I'm going to keep it how it is because this is supposed to be a money maker here. Production studio 1. And then kind of go from there. So, yeah, y'all got to stay tuned. Stay tuned. I'm about to... But I kind of want to figure out a little bit of what I'm looking in the back end. Don't want to give out too much info. We are working on a copier platform called Copy Crusher. And with this copier platform is basically where it does two things. You can copy from a trader. Like think of a signals room where usually when you try to sign up for somebody's signals room or somebody's private Discord room, and they post signals or maybe post their ideas, and maybe you see on their website, they may say they get an 80% win rate. They got 20 winning trades a week, 2 losses. There's no proven track record, right? Rather than maybe, yeah, they can bring you to the FX book and they can show you their stats there and so forth. Well, with Copy Crusher, there's 2 things that's going to happen. One, with Copy Crusher, you're able to find that trader that you like, rather if they are a signal provider. Let's say Solo, right? I provide signals in Discord. You can copy my trades. Rather, if I'm posting signals on Discord and you want to copy my trades and I post a signal, a specific signal saying buy USD yen or something like that, and you signed up through Copy Crusher and you basically automate to turn on automation, meaning whatever I post on Discord will automatically copy to your trading account without you even having to come into Discord and take a trade. That's one thing it does. Another thing it does is, once again, it's a marketplace. I'm a trader. You see my trades. You can see all of my stats. You can see all of my win rates. You can see every little detail stats you need to see. You can see the most recent trades I had took, the pending trades. You get to see everything that you want to see. And if I'm trading let's say a Trade Locker account or Act Trader account or a Hankotrade account basically, or DX Trade account, you can just hit the copy button. And the moment you hit the copy button, it will bring you to a feature page where you can set your own risk, meaning you can set your own stop loss, you can set your own TP, you can set your own overall drawdown, you can set your overall profit, you can set a lot of different minor things. And once you set that and hit copy, every trade I take will instantly copy over to your account. So that's what it does there. And then the third thing I said it does too is 3 things. The third thing is just a traditional copier like any other copier out there, where you can trade from one trading DX trade to another DX trade, or you can even take a MT4 account to a Trade Locker. That's what we do. Or you can take a MT5, MT4 account to a Ninja Trader or a Tradeovate DX trades and take your trades from there. And then also, you can sell your own services if you want to offer. Let's say you got a trading floor or a trading room or Discord, Slack, or Telegram. You can offer that through Copy Crusher, just like a typical Fiber, WAP, or any upgrade chat or Launchpad or Launchpress, whatever it's called. It does all of that. So this is something that I've been working on for a little minute, and that's what I've been quiet about. But it is coming very soon, actually, hopefully. By the time you guys see this video, we will be in pre-launch, and that's this right here where you'll be able to put in your information. So I'm pretty sure by this time you see this video, we will be in pre-launch. So stay tuned for that. This is a big project, and a lot of time and money has been invested into this, and hope you guys will like it. But yeah, enough about that. All right, y'all. We pretty much finished. This took a little longer than we expected, but we got the little TV there in the middle. We still got to add some more stuff. LED lights. We probably gonna definitely putting a floating shelf underneath it to give it more of a static look. It's literally just gonna be like we said, it's literally gonna be this bottom part there, floating shelf. I seen one on Facebook Marketplace, so we gotta probably pick that joint up. I'm gonna hit them up. Oh, and then we're gonna add this other screen right here on that side, right there. And then we got more lights we're gonna put up here just to make it super bright in here. We'll have one there coming down like that, one there coming down like that. Nah, the rail is like, yeah, limits. Other than that, y'all, that's pretty much it for today. But you feel me? Make sure you subscribe, like this video if you haven't already. And your boy Solo, I'm out. See you in my next video. Peace.